A mold is a tool used in the manufacturing of plastic injection molding technology products, usually made of hardened steel or aluminum alloy, which has high requirements for accuracy and corrosion resistance. The manufacturer's design requirement for them is to be able to withstand higher temperatures and pressures during the injection molding process. The design and structure of the mold determine the quality, accuracy, and consistency of the final plastic parts. The plastic injection molding process is mainly a process of injecting molten plastic materials into the mold cavity to manufacture plastic parts. This is one of the most commonly used methods for mass production of plastic products. This process starts by placing plastic particles or powder into a heated bucket, which is heated to a molten state in the barrel. Then, under high temperature and pressure, they flow inside the mold cavity, filling every corner and gap of the mold shape. The plastic products produced by injection molding not only cover simple household and daily products such as bottle caps and toys, but also include precision and complex automobiles and medical equipment. The versatility and flexibility of this process are mainly manifested in the ability to create complex shapes, integrate various surface textures, and combine multiple materials in one part. The advantages of plastic injection molding are prominent, including high productivity, the ability to produce completely identical parts, and the production of complex geometric shapes. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.